How to start investing in top ETFs to potentially grow your wealth. ETFs, which are also often index funds, are a simple way to be diversified and possibly make passive income. Some may offer up to 10% dividend rates, while others have had historically strong long-term gains. But how do you get started? I use the Moomoo Trading App, the sponsor of today's video, to buy and sell index funds. Stick around to the end because I'll share an exclusive offer for new users. Now let me walk you through their ETF feature. On this page, you can get information about dozens of types of ETFs. Let's say you heard that Warren Buffett has been trading energy stocks and you're interested. You can check out energy ETFs here, scroll to the right and sort columns like fund size and select one. On the profile page, you can expand the top to get details like the dividend yield for passive income just for holding shares of the fund. In the fund tab below, you can see a breakdown of the stocks held by the fund in terms of sector, geography, and top holdings. It's incredibly easy to do your research and you can trade these ETFs all in the same app. And if you're new to Moomoo, they have one of the best sign-up bonuses right now. New users can earn 8.1% APY on their uninvested cash for a limited time only. This promotional rate consists of a 5.1% APY base rate, plus a 3% APY booster coupon valid for 3 months after activation. So even if you don't want to invest right away, take advantage of that passive income because that rate is way better than a traditional savings account. And even better, you can get up to 15 free stocks with a qualified deposit. Tap the link in my profile for more information about the offer before it goes away.